Okay, so today we're making Chikko ice cream. It's a very famous fruit in Asian countries. You know, it looks like this. It's a round fruit like this. It's very sweet and it comes out in the summertime. So I took 10 Chikkos and I made a puree out of it. Okay, and I also chopped up some. You can see that I've chopped up some, two of them for decoration purposes. Right, so my puree is done. This is nearly 1.5 cup of puree, I think. All right, because the sweetness will come with this. I've also taken 4/5 of cup of milk. I've taken milk powder also. I've taken one packet of cream, and I've taken brown sugar as well, which I'm going to be using in the kulfi. Okay, so I've taken one pot and I've added my milk, and I'm added milk powder inside it. I'm going to let it simmer on a medium flame till the a boil comes. Once the boil comes, it has to the milk has to become a little bit thickened. Okay, because of the milk powder in it. So at a very medium flame, I'm going to let it boil. As you can see that the milk is, after a little a boil came, it became a little bit thick. At this point I've added I'm going to add the sugar, and I'm going to add the cinnamon powder. I've taken half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. It gives a very good flavor. Okay, so you have to let the milk cool down a bit and then add the Chikko puree inside it, and then put the cream inside it, 1 cup of cream, right? And also I'm going to mix it really, combine it really well. This is what it looks like. I'm going to transfer this mixture into my molds or cups, whatever I have available. I have taken these small cups, and I'm going to add this puree inside it. These small size cups I've used. You can use any mold, popsicle, whatever you have available, and you have to transfer this Chikko kulfi inside that. And after I've done that, I've put some foil paper on top of the cups, and I'm going to refrigerate this overnight, right? Till the kulfis are completely done and completely in their form. So after overnight, when I got up in the morning, the kulfi looks like this. And I've also, you can see that I've put the chunks of the Chikko inside the kulfi and I'm going to tear this cup like this, and the kulfi will come out easily inside. This is what the kulfi looks like, guys. It's so easy to make. It's so delicious to eat. Give it a try and subscribe to my channel. Share it with anyone. It's so hot. Make it and enjoy it, guys. Don't forget to